was. Looking for an option, flicked on by Ongenda towards Zlatan Ibrahimovic. What a fantastic goal! Unbelievable!
Let it go.
Paris lead, and Zlatan Ibrahimovic has done it again. Well, what can't this man do?
Baby. 2 bird wings.
Sometimes you think it's just all too easy for him. Modesto's doing the marking, he shrugs him off, but how about this for a finish? Improvisation at its very best. Absolutely stunning.
That's the corner for you, dude. That's a corner for you, baby.
Well, you can see it again and again, and you'll never get sick of it. That is absolutely mind-boggling.
And the assist from the girl gave him the ball.